Hey Kickstarter, I'm Tom, and this is Brian.
Hi.
Brian and I both rely on our phones every day, just like you do. But we hate the frustration of a dead battery, especially when we're outside or traveling and there's nowhere to charge it.
A reliable external battery can be an ideal solution. But we found that most external batteries on the market are either too fragile to keep up with a busy lifestyle, or just not stylish enough to carry around as a daily item.
That's why we built ZENDURE, the most durable and stylish external battery on the market, inside and out.
What really sets ZENDURE apart from its competitors is the perfect combination of strength and beauty. First, let's show you just how strong the product is.
Wow. Hey.
So what makes ZENDURE so durable?
Let's have a look. ZENDURE's exterior shell is made from a durable composite material that's also used in many ruggedized products, including high-end suitcases. The shell is reinforced by support ridges, and the rubber belt in the middle absorbs shock. It took dozens of experiments to find the best recipe, but it was worth all the work. But ZENDURE isn't just built with strong muscles, it also has a smart brain, thanks to some of the best technology available. ZENDURE's total energy conversion rate is incredibly high, up to 80%, while most batteries on the market can only manage about 70%. That means the ZENDURE A4 can charge an iPhone 5 up to 6 times. A number of components and design principles allow us to achieve these results. At the very heart of ZENDURE is a set of rock-solid, high-density lithium-ion batteries built by top players in the industry. A lot of manufacturers cut corners here to reduce costs, but you can't make a superior product with inferior guts. An advanced control unit made by Texas Instruments takes charge of everything and makes sure all of the electronic components work together nicely. Another factor that goes into ZENDURE's amazing conversion rate is intelligent heat management. A metal coating on the inside, along with thermal conductive silicone pads, allow us to keep the internal components cool, further enhancing efficiency. The power supply automatically turns itself on when connected to a compatible device for charging. When it's done charging, ZENDURE switches back to standby. ZENDURE can maintain up to 95% of its charge after 6 months in standby. So even if you're just using it as an emergency backup, you don't have to constantly recharge it. ZENDURE can multitask. Even while it's being charged, it can still charge your devices. And it has 2 USB outputs, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time. ZENDURE was built for people who want top performance without compromising on design. That's ZENDURE. It has the beauty, the muscles, and the brain. The proud product of several months of collaboration with industry experts, as well as independent research and focus groups with a diverse range of consumers.
We didn't invent the external battery. Our goal with ZENDURE was to learn as much as we could about the customers, and then deliver a product that exceeds the expectations.
We have the design, we have the necessary molding and tooling, and we've built a few prototypes. The day we receive our funding, we'll be able to go into mass production. So ZENDURE will arrive at your door in about 2 months.
We're confident that ZENDURE belongs at the top of the external battery market. Your support will help us get there. Thank you.
At IDEA, we believe that the capturing process should happen seamlessly, just like the experience itself does. PETA is the world's first transformative drone that enables true versatility in a way that you capture your experience, whether it's aerial, handheld, or mounted. PETA transforms to your needs in a matter of seconds. The Action Cam module has 3 screw holes for universal mounting. Changing modes is quick and easy with modular design that magnetically snaps and twists to lock. Optimized for the first-time pilots across all ages, PETA is light and small to take with you everywhere without adding extra bulk. With our vision recognition technology to target and follow users, capturing with PETA is as easy as throwing it with a click of a button.
Our team has deployed a number of vision recognition technologies across many different sectors. We have been working days and nights for the last year and a half to bring the same video processing technologies to PETA, to create a small yet powerful autonomous drone that combines all the pros of previous drones and action cameras. We have completed development and are now in need of your help to move on to the manufacturing stage to shed light on PETA. Please join us to make PETA a reality.
People will do anything to stop from getting sick. But lots of people don't know that the items most infected by bacteria are their towels. You see, when we shower or clean our face, oil and sweat contaminate our towels, which don't get removed unless it's washed. Meanwhile, your towels remain wet, allowing bacteria to breed. Of course, we can't see what's happening because microstains cannot be seen with the naked eye. That's why we created a smarter towel called Mizu, with bacteria-detecting technology. When Mizu's sensing areas get contaminated by oil, sweat, and bacterial metabolites, the color changes from blue to red to remind you when the towel needs to be cleaned. The color change is due to a unique blend of natural plant extracts and Xinjiang cotton fabric. Mizu towels are a cut above in quality. Mizu's Xinjiang cotton is water-absorbent while still being light and airy. Each Mizu towel features a twisted yarn weave. This minimizes dry time and promotes circulation of oxygen. Say goodbye to that musty towel smell. Mizu is Japanese for water, and water is very important in the creation of a towel. Imabari, Japan is the towel-making capital of the world, and their secret to success is metal-free, soft water. We harness soft water in our crafting process to achieve Mizu's luxurious softness and luscious absorbency. Mizu is also easy to clean. Just place it into your regular wash. The color will reset, and the cotton will get even softer. Lastly, we have a message to a Kickstarter community that is tired of being let down by project creators. Mizu's prototype has already been loved by thousands of our trusting backers during our first launch in Asia, and we have collected extensive feedback to significantly improve the towel's quality. Unlike many crowdfunding campaigns, we're prepared to fulfill our backers' orders mere weeks after completion. Mizu Towel is a real product that we have painstakingly concept tested, prototyped and perfected for your homes and families. Your pledge as a backer of Mizu will be used to fulfill our first minimum order quantity. Back us today on Kickstarter to get your hands on the world's first bacteria-detecting towel at an unbeatable price that we will not be able to offer in the future.
Hey, we're OneManBand, creators of the OMB Guitar Toolkit. OMB adds an amazing new dimension to playing guitar, with automatic playback, instrument swapping, and a guitar to MIDI connection. Before we explain the magic behind it, check out how guitarists experience it for the first time.
So is it this device?
Should I play?
Can I play?
Okay.
Yeah, this is fun.
No! That's mad.
That's very cool.
It's like a new instrument. It's like playing something completely new.
Gives you a lot of control over the instrument because usually, like, you're used to fit what you're playing to what the playback's playing, and now it's the other way around. So it's pretty cool.
This is neat. This is like something I'd like to take for the road.
Can I control this with this app?
Can I keep it?
Can I take it home?
Can I play my own song?
I can feel the heat of the sun, but still it's so far away.
Yeah, wow. So how does it work? It works by converting guitar playing into electric signals using capacitive and inductive sensing. These signals are then transmitted to the app, where they're processed into sounds with no latency. It comes in two forms: a guitar with OMB built in, and an upgrade kit so you can install it on your own guitar. Using it feels natural and creative. There's no learning curve, just pick it up and play. OMB has a bunch of awesome features, the main one being playback mode. In playback mode, OMB lets you have a full backup band that accompanies you as you play. So instead of playing alone, you can now play any song with a band behind you. Instead of following recorded playback, the playback now follows you. OMB recognizes the chords you're playing and adjusts in real time. With playback mode, playing any song takes you from just playing the guitar to leading an entire band. Take the guitar with you to a gig at a cafe and turn your solo show into a concert. Play for your friends at the beach and add playback with your phone for an incredible jam session. Busk on the street and elevate your playing to new levels. Besides playback, OMB has two other amazing features. With instrument mode, you can turn your guitar into any other instrument. So you can switch up your traditional role in the band and be the violin player if that's what you feel like. And in studio mode, OMB lets you connect your guitar as a MIDI controller for composing software like Cubase, Ableton, Fruity Loops, or GarageBand. So you can create music using your favorite instrument, your guitar. It's a powerful experience. The guitars pre-installed with OMB come in both acoustic and electric options. The OMB upgrade kit takes just 10 minutes to install and works with most acoustic and electric guitars with metal strings. This way, you can enjoy all the features of OMB on your own guitar. The OMB app for iOS and Android enables you to intuitively control styles, rhythms, instruments, and the mix. And if you want to make adjustments while you play, you can use the OMB foot pedal. It's really good. Our product was originally designed for professionals, but when we let people use it, we learned that hobbyists and beginners immediately fell in love with it too. That's why we made a huge effort to make it affordable. We've gotten a ton of amazing feedback, and we finally feel ready to mass produce our life's work. We just need your help. Support OneManBand and experience guitar playing like never before.